third question is, find the sum to infinity of the series 1 plus 2x plus 3x square plus 4x cube and so on, where modulus x is less than 1. Okay. Let us understand how we solve such questions. Let this sum is Sn. So my Sn is equal to, I can write 1 plus 2x plus 3x square plus 4x cube and so on up to infinity. Now see this arithmetic geometric progression. Here the GP is 1x, x square, x cube and so on. So the common ratio of GP is x. Okay. So multiply both the sides by x. So x into Sn will be equal to 1 into x means x. Write it below the term which is having x. 2x into x is 2x square. Write it below the term which is having x square. Next will be 3x cube and so on up to infinity. Now subtract. So subtraction means sign will be changed. 1 minus x into Sn is equal to 1 plus x, 2x minus x is x, plus 3x square minus 2x square is x square. Next will be x cube plus so on up to infinity. Agreed? Now this again we find GP and sum of GP up to infinite terms. Formula of infinite terms GP is S infinity is A upon 1 minus R. Modulus R should be less than 1. Here it is given modulus x is less than 1 and that is the common ratio only. So I can apply this formula. It is A means 1 upon 1 minus R means 1 minus x. Agreed? So Sn is equal to cross multiply 1 upon 1 minus x whole square. This is our required value of Sn, means sum of the given series up to infinite.